Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Deerstalker. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He wore a deerstalker hat while he wandered through the forest, hoping to catch sight of the elusive deer. A deerstalker is a type of cap with flaps that can be tied under the chin, typically worn for hunting or outdoor activities in cold weather. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.